Okay, using cleaning tools that have been tried and tested for safety and efficiency. You don't want to be buying things off of infomercials that look cool. You don't want to be cleaning people's houses with like ShamWows. You need to be buying something that, you know, was designed to do what it's doing. And so there's no need to reinvent the wheel. It's funny because like we're very tech forward as a cleaning company, but one area where you really don't want high tech stuff is the actual cleaning. We are using microfiber rags and a mop and a vacuum that I saw an infomercial for when I was a kid, and the guy picks it up with his pinky because it only weighs 8 pounds.
So that's the only product you should use from an infomercial is the vacuum.
Correct. But otherwise, but that infomercial was 40 years ago. So I'm saying that it's tried and tested. That's part of the bullet point that we're trying to cover here.
Yeah, and the ones that we teach you guys in our courses are all proven by our mentor up in Denver, 25 years now in business. And these are the ones that he's like spent over 100 grand probably testing. But again, if you listen to us, if we're just modeling that success, and we want you guys to model that success. Don't go out there and spend a bunch of money on stuff that's going to break, make you inefficient. Use what works. A lot of times it's simpler than you think. Microfibers and water, a couple products.